Hello everyone, myself Michael Ravina, Associate Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. The subject is CS 8651 Internet Programming and the unit is Introduction to Ajax and Web Services. The topic is Simple Object Access Protocol, that is a SOAP. Simple Object Access Protocol, SOAP, is an XML based protocol for exchanging information between computers. SOAP is an application of the XML specification. The features of the SOAP is SOAP is a communication protocol for internet. SOAP provides a data transport for web services. SOAP can extend HTTP for XML messaging. SOAP can exchange complete documents or call via remote procedure. It can be used for broadcasting a message. It can be used as a XML way of defining what information gets sent and how they are sent. Then SOAP enables client application to easily connect to the remote services and invoke remote methods. SOAP message structure. A SOAP message is an ordinary XML document containing the following elements. First one is the envelope. This is mandatory. It defines the start and end of the message. Next one is the header. It is optional. It contains any optional attribute of the message used in processing the message either at an intermediary point of or at the ultimate at end point. Body is one of the mandatory part. It contains the XML data comprising the message being sent. Next, fault. This is one of the optional field. An optional fault element provides information about the error that occurred while processing the message. Then this is the SOAP envelope element. The SOAP envelope element indicates the start and end of the message. The SOAP envelope is packaging mechanism. Every SOAP message has a root envelope element. Every envelope element must contain exactly one body element. If an envelope contains a header means, then it contains no more than one header. It must appear as the first child of the envelope before the body. The envelope changes when SOAP versions change. Next one is the SOAP header element. The SOAP header, the optional header element that is flexible, offers a flexible framework for specifying the additional application level requirements. There are two attributes are available inside the SOAP header element. First one is the actor attribute, then second one is the must understand attribute. Actor attribute means the SOAP protocol defines message path for as a list of SOAP service nodes. Then by setting actor attribute, the client can specify the recipient of the SOAP header. Then next one is a must understand attribute. It indicates whether a header element is optional or mandatory. This is a SOAP header field. It contains the envelope and header. Then next one is the body. The SOAP body element. The SOAP body is a mandatory element which contains the application defined XML data being exchanged in the SOAP message. The body must be contained within the envelope and must follow any headers that might be defined for the message. The body is defined as a child element of the envelope and the semantics for the body are defined in the associated SOAP schema. The body contains a mandatory information which is for ultimate receiver of the message. The next one is the SOAP fault element. The fault element, when an error occurs during processing, the response to a SOAP message is a SOAP fault in the body of the message. The fault is returned to the center of the SOAP message. The SOAP fault mechanism returns specific information about the error, including predefined code. A description, the address of the SOAP processor that generated. A SOAP message can carry only one fault block. It is optional one. Then SOAP encoding. SOAP includes a built-in set of rules for encoding data type. The soap data types are divided into two broad categories. First one is scalar type, then second one is the compound type. Scalar type contains exactly one value, such as last name or price or product description, like this. Then compound type contains multiple values such as purchase order, list of stock codes, etc. Then this is the soap request message. The soap request message is in the form of this. At first, the post, that is, it must be a get or post should be specified. Then after that, the XML version is defined. Then the soap envelope, inside the soap envelope, the XML namespace are specified. Then after that, the soap body tag is opened. In between the soap envelope body, the particular contents are displayed. This is the request message, and this is a format of example for a soap response message. In this response message, the particular content type are displayed, and after that, here the post is not displayed because this is one of the response message. If you are posting any request means, then that is in the form of a soap request. So it is displayed in the post message. Advantages and disadvantages of SOAP. Advantages are languages or neutrality, interoperability and platform independence, simplicity. Then next one is the scalability. That means SOAP uses uses HTTP protocols for transfer due to when it becomes scalable. Simplicity means it is very simple XML format. Then disadvantages are slow. That means SOAP uses XML format which needs to be passed, and then it is lengthier which makes SOAP slower than the CORBA. The next one is the WSDL dependence. That means it depends on the WSDL and does not have any standardized mechanism for dynamic discovery of services.